Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve soft, moisturized, and defined curls using products from Frizé Frizé. Stay tuned! Frizé Frizé is a Canadian company and they currently have 3 products, a hair cream, a styling gel, and a bentonite clay hair mask. Start out with a clean slate using your favorite shampoo or co-wash and rinse thoroughly. While your hair is still soaking wet, apply the Frizé Frizé detoxifying bentonite clay hair mask to sections of your hair. And don't forget, a little goes a long way. This hair mask is great to help define your curls, promote hair growth, and detoxify hair and skin. The smooth texture and ingredients such as apricot oil, babasu oil, and jojoba oil make detangling thick, textured hair a breeze. Once the mask is applied to all the hair, cover it in a plastic cap for approximately 10 to 15 minutes to allow the product to really penetrate the hair. And after rinsing out the mask, my hair is soft and ready to style. The styling products I'll be using are the Feeling Lush Leave-In and Styling Hair Cream and the Make Me Smile Hair Gel. Both products are packed with moisturizing ingredients and have flaxseed gel to help promote definition. To start, I'm applying the hair cream to my hair in sections, and this product feels great on the hair and has ingredients such as shea butter, olive oil, bamboo extract, and fenugreek, which is known to promote hair growth. Up next, we have the hair gel, and this gel has incredible slip. It's enriched with almond oil, castor oil, as well as fenugreek, and both of the products have a light scent with hints of lemongrass and other essential oils. For today's style, I'll be doing something called a TWAID out. So that's a combination of a twist and a braid to help define and elongate your curls. I'm starting with a braid and then I transition into a 2-strand twist. And I'm all done. I like to leave my TWAIDs in overnight so they'll be dry in the morning. Before taking down my braids or twists, I always apply a small amount of oil to my hands to help avoid frizz. Be sure to go slow at this point so you can maintain as much definition as possible. Now once all the TWAIDs are out, you can actually stop right there and just enjoy some awesome definition. But personally, I love big, fluffy, voluminous hair, so I'm going to separate the curls a little bit with my hands, and then I'm going to go in with an afro pick to fluff at the roots and get that awesome volume I'm looking for. Alright, so here's my final look using the Frizé Frizé products, and I must say I am very impressed. My hair is defined, it's moisturized, and it's super soft. A great thing about this collection is that the products are all natural, so you don't have to worry about any harmful ingredients that may damage or harm your hair, so that is a plus. And as I mentioned, the smell is amazing. They smell so good. Now, if you're not like me and you prefer unscented products, they do have an unscented option for both of the stylers. Overall, I am just really happy with how my hair looks and feels. As you can tell, this definition is amazing. And if you're interested in trying out the Frizé Frizé products, be sure to check the link in my description box, and I will link right to their website so you can find them. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this review of Frizé Frizé. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.